It's episode 128 and cameraman Chris has returned with his giant camera. Here he comes. He's bought a brand new pair of gumboots so that he doesn't have to get wet socks inside those Crocs. Because no one likes wet socks inside those Crocs, especially when they're trying to hold a camera. Here he comes. He's waving. Can he hear me? Does he have the earpieces in? I don't know. I'm connected to a microphone and he could be listening or he could be not listening. We'll find out in about 3 seconds. Maybe 5. I may have misjudged the distance. He's coming. He's waving. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 128 of The Castle, where we're going to get some more stone with cameraman Chris. Luckily, the ocean has exposed lots and lots of lovely stones. Tiny little kingfisher.
Gravel in my teeth, every step feels like broken concrete. See the breakthrough, concrete cold, but my blood runs wild. Every setback, just another mile. Rain is hard.
Got slightly deeper water. Not really sure what caused it yet, but it's probably really obvious. But I'm not noticing. Do the jump.
I'm rolling stones in the rain, keep rolling. They said slow down, but I sped up the climb, turned every closed door to a new design, lightning in my chest, heart off the chain. If the mountain move, I'm shifting the terrain. I'm rolling stones in the rain, keep rolling. Let the sky split open, let the ground give way. If the rules feel frozen, I'll rewrite the play. Every drop on my face is a war I've won. If they dim that light, I'll become the sun.
I'm writing scripture in the margins of my notebook. Tiny gospel in the coffee stains. Every sentence is a seed I'm gonna skyhook. Throw it past gravity, out past the pain. See the future in the bend of every comma. Constellations in a single word. Give me paper, I'll design a new Kabbalah. Let my alphabet, we draw the world. Daily my name now, but I have many names. I live and die and treat my body like a game. Pantheon mind uploads for immortality. Seek life that way and find slavery, and eternally beg to get back mortality. In your spirit, like a casa in your blood. Ninth eye, so vivid, gene mods cause of flood. Illusions of opposing teams got us bleeding. Bungas can't save you from soul cohesion. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the timeline's slow. I will freeze time, get it all in my fist. Make a planet from the dust that the old gods missed. I'll become the universe, not a soul, not a guest. I'll become the universe, because I must. Because I must. I talk to silence like a student and a teacher. Ask the void what it's so scared to show. Every atom is a hidden little preacher. Every echo is a sermon in code. Build a temple out of questions with no answers. Stack my doubts into a golden throne. When I'm ready, I'll be pulling at the anchors. Drag the oceans to the edge of what I own. Our seals all open, time all change. Wind back time to before matter remained. Infinite dimensions with permutations. There is no such thing as an innovation. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D. Layers in the matter and layers in the lines. Magnetic fields that twist and bind. Those are the dark and those are the light. All the same thing, just polarities fight. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the timeline's slow. I will freeze time. Catch it all.
Alrighty, I think I might call that the end of episode 128. We're losing daylight. We probably could get a couple more loads, but I might just call it here. But we made a small little wall. It's barely a wall. It looks kind of like a wall from... Yeah, no, it doesn't look like a wall. It looks like a pile of stones. But eventually it'll be a wall, hopefully. And the idea is I can throw all the stones up from there, and this wall will stop most of them from rolling off the edge, and hopefully catch them like a big old basketball hoop. Anyway, that's it. See you in the next one. Toodaloo. Goodbye.
Molecule matter factories regenerate your follicles. One day this book gon' turn religion. I feel it in my blood, in my lungs, in my vision. I will rule the stars like it's something that I'm owed. Higher eyes open while the timeline's slow. I will freeze time. Catch it all in my fist. Make